Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one's all about Mr. Dexter treating himself to a new bike and a new TV. It says the TV costs £130 more than the bike. Well, that's like saying that the TV is the same as the bike plus an extra £130. So the TV is the same as the bike plus an extra 130. And we're going to write that underneath the TV. So the TV is the bike plus an extra 130. And obviously the bike is just the bike. Now you might be wondering, why have we written it like that? Well, the total cost is £420, and how much does the TV cost is what we've got to find out. Well, we're going to draw a bar model to help us to figure this out. So we know that the total cost is 420, so the whole bar would be worth £420. And we know that within that £420, we've got the cost of the bike, which we'll write underneath like that, and we've got the cost of the TV. But we did say that the TV is the same as the bike plus an extra 130. So instead of writing TV there, we could actually write bike plus 130. Now, because we've got the bike, then basically we can make another section the same size as the first bike, the actual bike. And this section on the end would be worth 130. Now, the obvious thing to do here is take off that 130 on the end from the total of 420. So if we work that out, 420 take off 130 and see what's left. 0 take away 0 is 0. 2 take away 3 we can't do, so borrow from the 4 and that becomes a 3, and then 1 we've borrowed turns the 2 into 12. 12 take away 3 is 9. 3 take away 1 is 2. So if we take off this £130, then that means we've got £290 left to cover the cost of the two sections which both say bike. Now, these two sections are the same size, so if we split the £290 in half, we have what goes on one section, which would be the cost of the bike. So £290 split in half is the same as doing 290 divided by 2. Well, 2's into 2 goes once, 2's into 9 goes 4 times, that is 2 4s are 8, so that's a remainder of 1 to get it up to 9. So 2's into 10 goes 5 times. So if you split the 290 in half, you get 145. So that must be what goes on each section there. Now this 145 is the cost of the bike. So finally we know the cost of the bike was £145. But the cost of the TV was the bike, which was £145 plus an extra 130. Well, 145 plus an extra 130, let's just work that out. 145 plus 130. 5 plus nothing is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. That's £275. So the TV must have been £275.